What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing you guys a brand new video. We're going to be doing a high fade on my boy, so stay tuned. We're starting off by creating our first guideline with our gold FX contouring to his head shape. Don't be afraid to stretch the skin to give you more space to bulge out. Now that we're done balding him out, we can move on to our shave stick and apply it to the skin. This lowers the likelihood of him bumping up when we use the foil shaver. Now we're going to use our foil shaver to completely remove the stubble and flick out about an inch away from the guideline. Now that we're done removing the stubble, we can move on to our no guard all the way open and create our second guideline. You want to make this guideline around an inch thick so you can spread the blend. We're then going to slightly close the lever midway and all the way closed and attack that initial guideline. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Also, if you guys want to show some extra support, you could go ahead and follow the Instagram or leave a super thanks down below. Thank you. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we can move on to our one guard all the way open and create our third guideline. We're then going to use this lever and the same guard to soften up the line and get ready for the half guard. Now that we're done softening up the line, we're going to move on to our half guard and erase the line completely. Now that we're done with the lower guards, we can move on to our two guard all the way open and create our fourth guideline. We are near the parietal ridge, so you want to make sure you flick out as much as possible. Now that we're done softening up the line with the two guard, we can move on to the 1.5 guard and erase the line completely. Now we're going to use a 4 guard all the way open and we're going to debulk the top. And we're also going to use a little bit of a longer guard on the light spots. Now that we're done debulking the top with a 4 guard all the way open, we can move on to our 3 guard all the way open and continue to fade the sides near the parietal ridge. make the fade more smooth, we're going to use our clipper over comb method, and we're going to use our vertical cuts to blend it as much as possible. Moving on to the back side, we're starting off with our no guard all the way open, and we're going to continue to erase that initial guideline using our lever midway and all the way closed. Again, don't be afraid to stretch the skin with your opposite hand. This gives you more room to blend. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we can move on to our one guard all the way open and create our third guideline. This is right near the occipital bone, so you want to make sure you spend more time here. Now that the line is soft enough with the one guard, we can move on to our half guard and erase the line completely. Make sure to use your lever and your corners as well. Since we already debulked the top with the 4 guard all the way open, we could quickly switch to our 3 guard all the way open and debulk the parietal ridge. Going back to my 1.5 guard just to detail the parietal ridge. Moving on to the sideburns, we're going to start off with our no guard all the way open and then slightly close the lever midway and all the way closed. Now we're moving on to our gold FX and we're going to slightly line up the beard. He did line up the beard himself, so it is a little bit lighter and a little bit rigid, so I'm just going to make it as crispy as possible and let the hair grow. Moving on to our gold FX, we're going to start off at the middle and work our way to the sides. We're also going to make sure the hair feeds into the teeth of the trimmer, because if not, then the hair is going to shift and then you won't line them up properly. Once we start to line up this little piece right here, you're going to see the lining is going to start coming together. Again, make sure you keep the vertical bars as natural as possible, and also you want to make sure you don't press too hard. Again, you want to make sure that the hair feeds into the teeth of the trimmer. Moving on to our Turkish razor and Derby Premium blades, we're going to make them as crispy as possible. But before we do that, we're going to apply some shave gel, making sure that the razor glides better. Also, when you're using the blade, you want to make sure you stretch the skin as much as possible with your opposite hand, and also keep the blade at a 45-degree angle. This lowers the likelihood of you cutting someone. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Also, if you guys want to leave some extra support, go ahead and follow the Instagram.